Hello viewers, here's just the welder I use. Just thought I'd do a quick video on it. Hopefully you can read all that. One decent transformer. It's huge. Alright, just thought I'd do a quick video on it. Thank you for watching. Here's a large extraction fan I installed. Works quite well. Just over in the corner here is a disused grinder. There's the motor for it, belt driven obviously, and disused bench saw. Decent old thing. Next to the saw there's a old water pump here. The engine still runs fine. We just don't need it anymore. If anyone wants to buy this, make us an offer. Yeah, it's a Honda engine. So, if anyone's interested, I'll get it out and do a proper video on it. Ancient old drill press.